off in only one. I said, wouldn't this be an unfair experiment? But then I saw that the whole purpose of the experiment was to only get bacteria to go into one and not the other one. Then I asked, there was two vocabulary words I had trouble with, so I used context clues to help me with that one. Then I noticed the experiment, and like you said, I noticed that an unfair experiment would be when the procedures or the process, they don't get to an accurate answer because,
And then when you said, thinking about this, if it doesn't say it was pasteurized, like it could be a drink or something, is it still safe or to drink or to eat?
she said, wouldn't it be unfair that if one container gets more air than the other container?
Okay.
Because they're different sizes.
Yeah. And what did you say?
And then
Or what did you want to
and then she said that since they're like both different, like they're all twisted, wouldn't like it affect it, and wouldn't the air be affecting it instead of just the bacteria?